The following home remedy has successfully been used for centuries for fevers, coughs, colds, and influenza. Although coronavirus can survive for weeks at near freezing temperatures, laboratory studies have now shown that coronavirus quickly dies when temperatures reach 56 degrees Celsius or 133 degrees Fahrenheit. The coronavirus thrives in cooler temperatures, and that is why it attacks the nose, sinus cavity, and lungs. These areas are generally moist, and air passing through them causes water to evaporate, which causes them to remain cooler than the rest of the body. Silver is a naturally occurring trace element. When silver is a constituent of farm soil, it is also found in foods grown on that soil. Silver is found in trace amounts in water. It is found in cow's milk, goat's milk, and human breast milk, so babies that are breastfed receive some silver in their diet, if it is found in the mother. Of all the plants and foods, weaver, medicinal and edible mushrooms contain the highest quantities of silver, and in that regard, we realize that silver is not foreign nor toxic to our bodies as long as it is not consumed in a toxic form like silver nitrate. There are many benefits to silver, the main one being its ability to kill all known pathogens. What will save us from the plagues of the 21st century? By the editors of the Journal of Preventative and Alternative Medicine. So, the question is, will silver kill a new coronavirus? What we now know is that there is no novel new coronavirus. The coronavirus has been around forever, and silver does kill coronaviruses.
Thanks for watching How to Stop a Cough in 5 Minutes, NextGen Coins in Action. Increase your potential on how to address viral infections in 5 minutes, using pure silver concentrate, from Shop Free Mart. To get more information on this subject and due diligence on what NextGen Coins in Action are doing, click the link below.